as you can see, I have a TJ Maxx haul for you today. I went to TJ Maxx. Today is Thursday, the 11th of February, 2021, of course. And I went to TJ Maxx, I believe Monday. I was supposed to be filming this haul, but I was busy working on my birthday vlog video, which you've already seen that video. That was the previous video that I uploaded. But if you haven't seen it, make sure you go and check it out. I'll leave it linked in the card right here. Most of these things are like Valentine's Day centered, so I want to show you those pieces that I got. I'll start off with this adorable piece here. Look at that. Isn't that so cute? I showed this on my Snapchat and my Insta story. And even the bowl here has the hearts, and it's just not so much Valentine's Day like in your face, but you can still use this during any other time of the year. I like how it has the 3 pieces here, and it was only $14.99. This was a great value for the money. Keeping with the home kind of decor stuff, I picked up these flowers here. Really pretty. I like the two-tone natural neutral color, but they're really pretty, like a rose blush pink, and it's very popular this season. This was just very fitting for this time of the month. It is the love month, my birthday month, and you can never go wrong with a scripture. Love never fails, 1 Corinthians 13:8. This was $7.99. This is like it has for you, like if you were giving it for a gift. It was $4.99, and I'm going to be using this month here. I thought this was really cute. Juicy red mango. You know, you've already seen my candle that I said was burning for the month of February, but it's not going to last all month, so I will be burning this as well. I picked this candle up for $9.99, and oh, it smells so good. The rest of the stuff I just was basically, I guess I was just feeling myself after my birthday, and just kept it going. Oh my gut, I'm kind of bloated right now. I just had some bread, and that's what bread does, like bloating, inflammation, all that stuff. Foods that cause inflammation or swelling or bloating of some type. It's just the devil. It's all the devil. But anyway, moving on. So I thought these were just so adorable, so cute. This right here, that is just the right touch to top off these house slippers here by Ellen Tracy, whoever that is. I don't know. They are so cute, and they were $7.99. Another pair of house slippers. Like, I don't know what's going on with me house slippers right now, but it is what it is. These are Jessica Simpson, and they weren't $30. This thing's saying $30, but they were $8.99. And they are so different. Like, it has the two-tone, the gray and the white color here. Oh, just so cute. They're nice and plush as well. Those slippers that I just showed you could go with this pajama set piece there. I got here this 2-piece, and this was $16.99. It says grateful, like a mint blue. Almost yeah, like a mint blue, because it's not green. It's almost kind of green, but I don't know. But it's really cute and comfy and cozy with these slides right here. It will play well off of those colors. I picked up these Nautica undies because I needed some. I like the color scheme and everything fitting for this month. And these were originally $42, but I don't remember how much I paid for these, but it was not that much. And I gotta wash them, of course. It even goes with these undies. So I got these bras here. It was a 3-pack, really pretty colors. The colors are all in right now. It just has the Nautica going around it, and this was $19.99 for 3. Just a plain blue and white Nautica. This one here has a different feel to it. This one's $14.99. This is more like a t-shirt jersey type material, and this is more like soft silky like material, or polyester or whatever. And then I got 2 of the Nautica bralettes, red and blue, and these were $12.99. And these was the last pair of shoes that I picked up. GBG Los Angeles shoes here. These are not indoor, they're outdoor shoes, as you can see the back platform. But they're very furry. and just cute. And they were $24.99. For Shauma, these bento cube container boxes, very nice to store sandwiches and food in. And then it comes with this little container here where she can store her fruits and stuff. It's a movable compartment divider, so you can move the dividers as you please. And these were only $5.99. So I got one in this color, of course, purple, my favorite color, and yellow. It was only fitting that I get these two. Some more containers. These are the by the same company, the portion pods, so it come with 2 in a pack. And these were $3.99. Got the pink ones, and then I got the purple ones as well. So they're stackable, colorful, and just cute. So I just want to say thanks for all those who watched my birthday video and left all the birthday blessings and everything. Appreciate you all so much. I feel so loved and appreciated. Even though this was a TJ Maxx haul, I decided to go ahead and make it a TJ Maxx haul vlog. For those who just came for the haul, you can go ahead and go, but I prefer that you stick around, get to know me and my family. If they're including the vlog today, I don't know, but basically this portion of the vlog of the video is a vlog. But yeah, I decided to go ahead and vlog because
it's Shauma's last day at school and the bus is lost.
It's not her last day at school today, and we just sitting here waiting on Shauma's bus to come.
My big
so we
sister.
Can get her. Yes, your big sister.
Yeah, she's my big sister, and she plays.
She always does that to her hair. Like, she fiddles with her hair so much, and she always takes one side down.
Mom, I'm gonna tell them the camera.
No. Let me talk. Let me finish talking first. Let me tell them first, okay? Let me tell them what I was about to tell them. Okay, so but I decided to go ahead and film because I got some exciting news today. I've been waiting. You know, Asia had that sleep study like almost 2 weeks ago. If you haven't seen that video, I'll link it right here. Pick that up, SuddenYah. But the doctor ended up calling me today. The doctor called me today and we talked for a little bit, and she said Asia's she did great with her CAP sleep study and she's comfortable with taking it out. She scheduled it for the 22nd of Monday, on Monday. So she has to have the COVID test. So that's on the 19th. She has to stay for 24 hours so they can make sure that she's breathing good and everything like that. So there goes Shauma. Get back in your car seat. Now we're about to go. So yeah, I wanted to update you on that.
How was your good day?
And so today is Thursday. Today is Taco Day. I know Taco Tuesday is Taco Thursday for us. You know, we like to do little things a little different. So a few weeks we've been doing like Taco Thursday. I already went out earlier. I had to go pick up a package. I had went and picked up I don't have them with me here. I went and picked up, I ordered some more Gladiator sunglasses, hater blockers, as I call it, from Free People. So different, but I'll show it to you when I get home. Shauma, how was your day? Let's switch places now. Look at Asia's hair. Like, her hair stays so matted back here that I was thinking about like leaving this top here. Okay, Asia, I know you're kind of mad right now, but and then like shaving this off in the back because it's just like it stays packed back here and matted anyway. So that's what I was thinking of doing.
Period. I predicted it. And I was right.
Yeah, she's been like acting a little funny. She been agitated and cramping. I haven't been feeling my best, fam. It's that time of the month. Oh, cheeks. What you think about that, Asia? Do you agree? Do you agree? Look at her. She's such a lady. She stay here holding her hands. Such a lady. This is the dress that our favorite nurse of all time, Debbie Ann, brought her. This galaxy looking dress. It had like a necklace piece that was attached to it that came with it. Asia, cheek. Hey, Miss Birdie. Hey, Miss Birdie. You're going to go get your trait removed. Say, we're going to believe it in Jesus' name. Say, we're going to believe it. We're going to believe it. We're going to have faith as a mustard seed. As a mustard seed. We're going to believe that all things going to work together for your good. And we're going to pray and believe that it's the will of God. They're going to take that thing out and it's no longer going to bother you. It's no longer going to be bothering you, girl. Huh? Huh? Right? You ready? You ready? Asia likes affection. She loves affection. She loves like attention, to be touched and stuff. Not all of that, SuddenYah. She don't want you that close and personal. Come on now.
My refrigerator.
Get down. Girl, you taking my clothes off. Can't have my shoulders showing. Too young for that.
Mom.
Say thank you, SuddenYah.
Thank you. Welcome.
Asia said thank you for wiping her mouth.
Let's do it, Deja. What? I don't have them anymore.
Right now, we
I like them.
Asia, are you smiling or are you frowning? I can't tell. A little both? Yeah, she's smiling. She's smiling. She's smiling. She's smiling. She's smiling. Say, I got a smile for you, Kyrie TV fam. I got a smile. There she
What is she
go.
considered? What's her age?
There she go. Big smile. Big bright smile. There you go, girl. Yeah, there go Miss Pretty. You feeling nice? Deja, put the cap back on. Tell Deja, put your cap back on.
What do you mean?
Is she on council? She already know. I already told her all the deets.
Oh, you did?
Yes, I did.
Oh, you was the referral.
Yes.
Oh. Excuse me.
Mm-hmm. Say, what you do? I want to show you. I used to buy these all the time. I was walking down the aisle because I went to get SuddenYah some fruit bars. These right here. I went to get her some fruit bars and I seen this and I was like, oh my gosh, I remember these. So I got some and everybody eating them up. I only had like 2. I like these better. I never really liked the drumsticks with all the peanuts on it. These right here are so much better. And they're small. They're like petite. They have tiny there. Like, look at that. Portion control at its finest. Only thing is it's not organic. That's how they look on the tip. The frame. I like to have nice cases for my sunglasses. I put them in this old Guess case that I had for some sunglasses I had like years ago. I no longer have the sunshade, but they are nice.
Oh, you gotta peel them. I want some sushi.
When I say
Girl, you know you don't eat no sushi.
It's this sushi that's so good. It's the lobster one with the shrimp and it's kind of cooked. It is so good.
She didn't like it. So this is turkey meat tacos. I usually like to chop up the spring mix and put it in here, but I didn't feel like doing it today.
Hold on, what's my phone? I have to see.
They're making some shrimp quesadillas.
Hold
So
on.
she got rice, cheese, and shrimp in there.
Yeah, push it on this side because I just sprayed it on this side.
She thinks you're a whole chef out here.
let's see your take the first bite.
I don't want that much cheese.
She's making a turkey rice cheese quesadilla.
Thank you so much, Deja.
Pinterest inspired.
Yes. What do you mean you can't see?
How was the co-chef?
You didn't even take a bite of mine. All you did was take a bite of the bread.
That's stir-fried shrimp you had.
Why?
It's Kiki's.
Here, you forgot to
No,
add
don't do mine like that because you got a wrong impression.
Oh my gosh.
Well, you forgot to add this.
It has a hard shell inside of it. Let me see the sour cream, Deja. Can you pour me a scoop?
That looks delicious. Mom, where are my phone so I can take a picture?
She's so excited.
Because she don't be cooking. She finally wants to cook now, y'all. Better late than never.
Almost with chicken.
It's so good with chicken. You like it?
That's good.
I am following.
That's it for this video. Thank you for watching. Don't be shy. Say hi down in the comments down below. I like chatting with you. Until next time, keep it real, Kairu TV fam, and you will see me in the next one. And if you didn't like it, then leave. Bye.